Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Take. This channel is my small step towards achieving something big. To share the useful tech knowledge with clarity and simplicity. If you find value here, a like or subscribe really motivates me to keep going. Let's get into today's topic. In today's topic, we will learn about how to install or configure AWS CLI on Windows. To do that, first go to browser and search for download AWS CLI for Windows. And this will navigate us to AWS document where we have a link to download the AWS CLI. Go to Windows, expand it, and there you can find the link. Once after download, go to your downloaded folder and install that. And we have a simple steps to install it. Go to the installation wizard, click on next and configure everything. It will take some time to install. Let's wait. Looks like we are done with the installation part. Let's click on finish. Once after your installation, go to command prompt. To make sure it is installed, type AWS minus minus version, click on enter. If you get this result, that is AWS CLI with version 2, which means your installation is successful. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.